Alright guys, so here's the cave. I don't even think it goes all the way in. I think it's just like stops. Can't tell. Gotta watch out for rattlesnakes, that's for sure. Yeah, we're good. Well, it's just a little dig out. That's all. Some mining work, looks like. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, buddy. Hope you guys enjoyed that flight. I was very cautious, very nervous about those big birds. But that is it for this flight. Stay tuned for more. Check this guy out. Ain't you a cool dude? That's awesome. That's a big one too, man. That thing's huge. Look at this guy. Big old guy. What's up, big guy? On a mission. You know that floor's hot. Bring. Well, what the? Hey, there's another one. Oh, dang, there's a whole bunch of them. What the heck? Look at this guy. Whoa. Wow, there's one there. Look at this one. Look at these guys. Look at this one there. There's one there. Dang. Ain't never seen these guys before. That's cool. That's too cool. Look at this. Dang. That guy's on a mission right there. There's another one over there on a mission. Oh, look at, what the? Dang, these guys are popping up out of nowhere. Look at this one. This one there. This one there. Dang. That's cool. Woo-wee! Look at all that sweat. That was fun, you guys. Quick stop. I really wanted to fly the drone in this location, and so we got it done. Jumping back on the highway. Yeah, buddy, hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Make sure you stop by this location if you are passing through Kingman and Golden Valley. This location is pretty awesome. Little cave or whatever it was. They got a bunch of hiking trails and stuff too. So jumping back on the highway. Yeah, buddy. Peace.